Okay, this is a Zodi hot shower extreme system that I reviewed last year. You can see a video on YouTube if you search for Zodi shower under username Yodatech. Last year it had the stock head on it. Today I put on a regular kitchen sprayer. I had to cut the hose, splice it together. You can see the two hose clamps down there, and there's a barb there. Let's see how this works. What's nice is you can just leave the shower control on full time there, and then when you want to soap up or rinse, just pull the trigger. Works pretty good, huh? Well, I should go over and wash that dirty FJ Cruiser. Yeah, it works good. And what's nice, if you don't want to waste water, just let go of that, and you don't have to reach down to tank and flip that red valve. It's much easier this way. It's got quite a good pattern and pressure. Can't wait to use it.